Welcome back everyone, how's it going? In this video I'm presenting 2 everyday expressions and much more. If you want to find out what this video is about, please keep focused till the end and make the most of it. The first phrase is blow the whistle. Literally the meaning is drawing people's attention, but the real meaning is blowing the whistle on someone, like a thief who has stolen someone's money, or a bank robber, or a shoplifter. It is mainly about reporting on crimes or corruption. Corruption is about immoral or illegal activities such as bribery. In simple terms, it is informing the police on this type of activities and having these corrupt people arrested, punished, and put in prison. This is called whistleblowing. The person who does this is called whistleblower. It is someone who gives information to authorities about corruption or any other bad behavior.
I want some answers, Alex, or I'm going to blow the whistle on you. I want some answers, Alex, or I'm going to blow the whistle on you.
Let's say it again. I want some answers, Alex, or I'm going to blow the whistle on you. I want some answers, Alex, or I'm going to blow the whistle on you. However, if someone blows the whistle on a friend who cheats in exams, or blows the whistle on a colleague who sleeps at work, the meaning of this expression is considered a negative one, as the whistleblowers have nothing to do with how others behave in these situations and simply should mind their own business.
Have you done this before?
Mind your own business.
Have you done this before?
Mind your own business.
Have you done this before?
Mind your own business.
This is the end of our lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time.